What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Earth by Lil Dicky. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so for this song, you're starting on standard tuning and you do have a capo on your second fret. You're only using 4 different chords for the song. They repeat throughout the entire song. If you need the chord diagrams, they will be in the free ebook that's in the description below called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's just a little gift for you guys coming to the channel and checking out the content. It does have the chord diagrams in there along with a bunch of other really useful information for you guys. So if you're interested, go check that out when you get done with the video. For now, you're starting out with a C major chord. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then you're going to an F major chord. The easiest way to play this one is going to be with your thumb on that first fret on your low E string, and then you're going 3, 3, 2, 1, and that's going to be ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, pinky finger on the 3rd fret on the D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and index finger on the 1st fret on the B string. And then A minor, it's going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then G, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Once you have the chords down, all you need to know is the picking pattern. It's going to be palm muted, and you're going to put the fleshy part of your hand right here on the bridge. That way it kind of mutes those strings and gives them that little kind of punchy sound. Now the technical rhythm of your picking is going to be 1 and 3, 4 and what that sounds like is... 3, 4 and if it helps for you to just think of it as even just you know, as simple as just bop 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 bop, that'll work too. It just takes a little practice, but you'll get it down. Like I said, it looks like this. So keep practicing that rhythm. It does just repeat that throughout the entire song. So once you get that, you'll be good to go for the entire song. If the palm muting is a little too hard for you, you can use a strumming pattern instead. It's going to be a simple down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, through all the chords. It looks like this. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Full speed, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.